In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro Whiteboard. We'll start right from the moment you sign in and end with sharing your ideas with others. Once you've logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. Think of this as your home base. It lists your recent boards, any shared projects, and the workspace you're in. If you have multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the right one so your new board ends up in the correct place. From here, look toward the top right corner and choose Create New, then Select Board. Miro will open a fresh canvas for you, and it auto-saves from this point on, so you don't have to worry about losing your work. You can rename the board at any time from the title field at the top. On the left side, you'll see the main toolbar. To add text, pick the text tool and click anywhere on the canvas to start typing. You can adjust font, size, color, and alignment from the contextual menu that appears, great for headings, labels, and quick notes. If you prefer to sketch or annotate, choose the pen. You can switch colors, change stroke thickness, and use the highlighter to emphasize key points. For navigation, scroll to zoom in and out, and click and drag on an empty area to pan across the infinite canvas. Beyond typing and drawing, sticky notes are a fast way to capture ideas. Select the sticky note tool, choose a color, and drop notes around your canvas for brainstorming or categorizing. To structure your content, add frames. Frames act like containers and also double as slides when you present, helping you guide viewers through your content in a clear sequence. If you want a head start, open the templates library and pick a pre-built layout. Everything from flowcharts and Kanban boards to mind maps. Templates are fully editable, so swap labels, move elements, and make them your own. When you're ready to share progress or run a session, invite collaborators. Use the share controls to choose whether people can view, comment, or edit. As teammates join, you'll see their cursors and updates in real time. For a clean walkthrough, step through your frames to present your ideas and use comments or quick reactions to gather feedback without breaking the flow. That's it. You've created a board, added content, organized it, and brought others in to collaborate. Save your board, come back anytime, and keep iterating.